I am Kara, the owner of TLC House and Pet Sitting Service in Chandler, Arizona. So I'm going to tell you about our cat sitting and small animal services. So we care for cats. We also can care for ferrets, guinea pigs, rats, rabbits, hamsters, sugar gliders, all kinds of small animals. We provide all the service in your home so they'll be more comfortable and less stressed than in a boarding facility. As you know, most pets each have their unique personalities. Our sitters have experience caring for both shy kitties who need extra time and space to get to know us, as well as the social ones who greet us at the door. We can care for elderly cats or kittens that need extra feeding or time or medication. We can do all that. Our services include giving them fresh food and water, cleaning the bowls, the litter box, and giving them lots of TLC. So we can check on your cat's well-being. That'll include checking and monitoring the litter box. We'll scoop it daily. We'll tidy your surroundings. We give them lots of playtime, brushing, cuddles, scratches, all one-on-one attention to your cat's preference. We'll also walk through your home to check, make sure there's no accidents or any hazards for your pet. Make sure that they didn't throw up any cat hairs or anything and clean that up as well. In each visit, your sitter will send you a journal note each day along with photos for peace of mind. And you can communicate back and forth with your sitter if you have any questions through those journal notes. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions about our services, you can contact us via phone, email, or text, and we're happy to help you.